Jr. from What My Teacher Wears, back at you on Wednesday of Getting Dressed With Me. What I would have worn to work if I would have gone. Wednesday, I always start with the statement piece. So I'm not going to do too much talking, but what I am going to say is, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor and do that right now. What are you waiting on, man? I know you're going to like the video, so go ahead and hit the like button. Just go ahead and hit it. Hit it. Also hit that bell notification so you'll never miss any videos that I'm going to be churning out to you guys over the course of these next 3 to 4 weeks over this COVID-19 pandemic. Again, guys, stay safe, stay clean. But enough of me running my mouth. Let's get straight into the video. Today it would have been Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, so let's get into what I would have worn. Again, I always started with one staple piece, whether that be a suit, blazer, shoes, pants, whatever it might be, and I try to center my outfit kind of around that staple piece. This staple piece, I absolutely love. I absolutely love this blazer. Instagram might not actually see the pictures I took in this blazer because it's more of a winter look, but I'll go ahead and throw some of those photos up right now. But I really love this blazer. It's Wednesday, so I kind of tone it down a little bit on Wednesdays as far as how, I guess you can say button up I am, but I am still button up on a Wednesday. And I normally try to still throw on a tie, but I kind of dress it down as far as from the bottom half and down, which is what you'll see later on in the video. And I went with the maroon tie because you couldn't really see the necessarily olive within the blazer, within the video. So what I said, okay, I'm gonna do the maroon tie, so any and everybody who's watching these videos, they can see kind of the maroon being brought out. And I did the same thing with the pocket square. I went with the maroon pocket square, but as you look at my accessories, my accessories are golden to kind of play off that brown within the blazer. As you look at the brown, the brown with the gold face on the watch, this watch was super cheap. I think I got it from JC Penney's for like 10, 11 bucks, like super cheap. I just needed something. I did a campaign with them and I needed kind of a dressier watch, but not too dressed up. I can still do it casually as well. And this was the perfect thing, and it was very affordable. Of course, it's not a Rolex or anything like that, but it gets the job done as far as the looks that I want to do with them. As you see, I have this gold lapel pin. I actually got this from We Are Lapel Pins Instagram page. I actually throw that tag right down here, guys. Check that Instagram page out. Like, they got some really dope accessories. And again, I told you how I was going to dress this look down was from the bottom on down, and how I did it was I threw on some white sneakers. These white sneakers I really love, as we transition into kind of springtime. I really love rocking sneakers with my blazer, especially I am on my feet literally all day, so I can't necessarily do a lot of hard bottoms, as a teacher, because I am on my teacher for so much, and I'm not really trying to have my feet hurting that bad. So what I did was I threw some sneakers on with this, and again, guys, I absolutely love this blazer. Just looking at it, what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to take those sleeves up about 1/2 inch because the sleeves are a bit longer than I would like. But other than that, I really love the way this fit turned out. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, like I told you at the beginning, go ahead and hit that like button. Let me know you guys like it so I can keep giving you this consistent good content and getting dressed with me throughout the week. If you have not subscribed, do that right now. Also hit that bell notification after you subscribe so you do not miss one of these Getting Dressed With Me videos this week or next week or the week after that until this pandemic is over with. Until next time, I'll see you when I see you. I'll let you boy.